Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix camera app is not working after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using a 17, a 37 or a 57 and you're facing the issue that your camera app is not working, you're unable to get photos or videos, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, if you're facing this type error that your screen has goes black, your apps are not working, including camera, so apps are disabled. So here's a simple way. The thing is that you have enabled ultimate power saving. You have to go to settings here, go to battery, go to power saving, and just disable this. Once you have disabled, your issue will be fixed and you can easily access your camera. But if you are still facing the same issue, I recommend you have to go to settings again, go to software update, make sure that you are up to date. You might have any pending software update here. Go back and go to camera app here. And retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, go back. Keep a long press on your camera app, click on this info icon or I button. Very first click on force stop. Click OK. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, then click on clear data. And once you have cleared all the data, go back and retry to open your camera app. Or the further thing you can check, you just click on this or keep a long press on your camera icon or your camera app, go to info button here, go to permissions. You have to make sure that you have enabled or allowed all the permissions there. Or you can see I have allowed all the permissions. Or you can also allow the location and nearby devices permission to your camera to get better experience. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, scroll down the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart button again. It will make a restart with your device, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.